Hi, this is Ed Sullivan and Marco Berti, continuing our Retaliation series. Mark, sometimes an employee will engage in protected activity that, they'll complain about something that's protected by Title VII or another statute. And then the company, after that, some time passes, will actually do nice things or things in favor of the company and the employee. Does that somehow mitigate or take away the act of the protected activity in the first place? Does that or does it have no effect?
Well, generally, most courts have held, Ed, that yes, it provides a real protective blanket for the company against claims of retaliation. A good example is a case that I think you were interning for Judge Hittner when this case was tried, Brady versus HISD, and the jury returned, I believe, over $1 million verdict for the plaintiff in a retaliation case there. Went up to the Fifth Circuit, and the Fifth Circuit reversed and rendered judgment, said one of the things they focused on heavily was the company had actually tried to promote the plaintiff several times since her protected complaint, and the court said that's completely incompatible with any notion of retaliation and zeroed her out. Most courts have held likewise, and so we do recommend to companies, if somebody's engaged in protected activity, ask yourself before you pull the trigger. In most cases, have you done something nice for them that you can show to the court to say, hey, if we were acting out of a retaliatory motive, we wouldn't have done this. Now, you don't want to be too cute about it, however. There's a case in our materials from New York where the company did exactly that, and the district court looked at it a little skeptically and said, you know what? You never really explained to me why it is you gave this person a new job title and new duties after they engaged in protected activity, and a reasonable jury could actually conclude you did that as a pretext and a subterfuge in order to undermine the retaliation claim that was lurking all the while, and that you were getting ready to spring on the poor employee after you did these allegedly nice things for them. So yes, you want to do the nice things, but you don't want to be overly tactical about it either.
Two things. One is you can go and learn more about this on our website. We have this paper, this retaliation paper, but also this exact topic is discussed in our top 10 mistakes that employers make.